Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen today and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious cantaloupe smoothie. If you follow me on Facebook, you probably already know that I've been doing a challenge. It's a 10-day challenge where all I'm doing is drinking smoothies, protein shakes, and juices. A lot of people are asking me a lot of questions about nutrition, about how to make these smoothies, so I decided to make a video to show you how to make them. Disclaimer, I am not a cook, I don't know how to do a lot of stuff, but I'm learning as I go and I will be sharing with you guys everything that I learn, so you guys can do it too. Alright guys, so let's get into this week's video. Alright guys, so the first ingredient, it's the main ingredient, cantaloupe. 1 cup of cubed cantaloupe. It has about 80 calories and we are getting 1 gram of protein. Let's put it in the blender. And the next fruit that I'm adding is 6 strawberries. I cut them in half and then I'm going to put them in the blender with the cantaloupe. We are adding about 24 calories to the smoothie. Next, I'm adding a banana, one of my favorite fruits. I'm cutting it up, but really you don't have to do this. You can just throw the whole banana in the blender, no big deal. 198 calories and 28 grams of sugar. Now I'm adding 1 cup of quinoa milk. It has 40 calories and about 1.5 grams of protein. You can also use almond milk, coconut milk, or soy milk, your choice. And I was super excited today at Whole Foods Market when I found this plant-based yogurt. I'm adding some probiotics to my smoothie and it's going to give it that creamy consistency. Lastly, I like to add 1 cup of ice just to give it that smoothie consistency, but this is optional. Alright guys, so this is how we come to the end of today's video. If you like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And click on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.